Wadzay, nabuak.
If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and hoping we get all right. You up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and hoping we meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life if I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and hoping when we get old. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true.
This is the aftermath. Ang kalat! Anyway, yeah, it's my first attempt doing a matcha drink, pero I think I'm not yet good at it, so we're gonna do it, try to do it every day until, yun nga, we get it, and until we improve. And then, look what I have here. Tanawa, Jai. Look at, and nabasag ko siya. Ito siya. Anyway, yeah. In cranberry na sandwich. So done editing, and right now I'm gonna go yan. And I'm currently watching Shooting Stars yan. Episode 6 na pala me. Afrika kasute. If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream.